Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello English channel, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James. Hi, Sarah. How are you feeling today?
I'm doing great, James. The sun is shining, and I've got my cup of tea. It's a wonderful day. How about you?
I'm fantastic. I'm really excited about today's topic. It's a big one.
It sure is. But before we start, everyone, please don't forget to give this video a like.
Yes, just click that little thumbs up button.
And if you're new here, welcome to the Hello English family. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. It really helps us grow.
Absolutely. Okay, Sarah, are you ready?
I'm totally ready. What are we discussing today?
Today's topic is a major challenge for many English learners. How to stop translating in your head.
Ah, yes, translation. I remember struggling with that. You hear something in English.
And your brain immediately says, wait, what's that in my language?
Exactly. You think about it in your native language, then try to respond in English.
That's a tiring three-step process. English to your language, then back again.
True. And the biggest problem is that it's very slow.
Right. While you're busy translating, the conversation keeps moving forward.
Yes, someone asks, "How are you?" And by the time you finish thinking, they're already talking about something else.
Exactly. That makes real conversations difficult. You always feel one step behind.
Perfectly said. And another issue is that words don't always match between languages.
What do you mean?
Well, one English word can have many meanings, or maybe your language doesn't have an exact translation.
Ah, I get it. So if you translate word for word, it can sound weird or even wrong.
Exactly. That's why the goal is to think in English and make a direct link between your thoughts and words.
A direct link. I like that. Like a clear road from your brain straight to your mouth, all in English.
That's the idea. No side trips to another language.
So it's a big issue, but don't worry, we've got some great solutions.
Yes. Here are a few easy and powerful tips to help you start thinking directly in English.
Awesome! I can't wait. What's tip number 1?
Tip number 1 is start small, really small. Begin with single words.
Single words? Like what?
Look around you right now. What do you see?
I see my desk, my lamp, and a pen in my hand.
Perfect. When you look at your pen, don't think of its name in your language. Just think the English word pen.
Ah, so when I see something, my brain should think of the English word directly.
Exactly. See the object, think the English word. Door, window, table.
I get it. It's like labeling the world around you in English.
That's right. You're your own English labeling machine.
I love that. So I can walk around saying cup, chair, kitchen.
Exactly. Do it for just 5 minutes a day. This builds that direct connection between objects and English words. No translation needed.
That's awesome. I can start doing that today. What's tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is use pictures.
Everyone loves pictures. How do they help?
You can use flashcards. You know those small study cards?
Oh, yes, flashcards. I use them in school.
Great. On one side, put a picture, like a bright yellow sun, and on the other side, write the English word sun.
So when I see the picture, I think sun, not the word in my own language.
Exactly. The picture connects directly to the English word. It's fun and helps your memory.
That's smart. I could use pictures for animals, food, or anything. Dog, cat, apple, banana.
Yes, you can even turn it into a game. See how many pictures you can name in 1 minute.
That sounds fun. Learning through play.
Exactly. Making learning enjoyable helps your brain remember better. Tip number 3, think in simple sentences.
Okay, so far we've covered single words. What about full sentences?
Great question. That's tip number 3. Think in simple sentences.
How simple are we talking?
Start with feelings. If you're happy, think, I am happy.
So I connect my feeling directly with the English phrase.
Exactly. Don't think, how do I say this in my language? Just feel it and say, I am happy.
I like that. If I'm tired, I can say, I am tired.
Perfect. Or, I am hungry. You can also use it for actions, like when you drink water, think, I drink water.
Oh, so I can describe my daily actions. I open the door. I sit down.
Yes, it's like narrating your life in English. This helps your brain form direct connections. No translation needed.
I get it now. Practice every day, and it will start to feel natural.
Number 4, watch and listen to simple English.
Like this channel?
Exactly. And also cartoons or children's shows.
Cartoons are great because they're visual. You see the action while hearing simple English.
Right. When a character says, look, a ball, you actually see the ball. Your brain links the sound to the image.
That's clever. You don't even have time to translate. Your brain just understands.
Yes. The same goes for kids' songs like head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You hear, see, and do the actions.
That's such a fun way to learn. 10, 15 minutes a day, and you're improving without even realizing it.
Now, our last and most important tip. Be patient.
Yes. Learning takes time.
Exactly. Learning to think in a new language is like learning to walk. You'll fall, make mistakes, and that's completely okay.
You don't run a marathon on the first day.
Exactly. Step by step. It's a habit, and habits take time to change.
So if I start translating again, I shouldn't get upset?
Not at all. Just notice it and try again. Say, oops, I translated. Let's think in English this time.
That's a great mindset. Be kind to yourself.
Yes. Small, consistent steps. 5 minutes a day, one short cartoon, one new word. Progress matters more than perfection.
I love that. A little victory every day.
And don't forget, mistakes are good. They're our best teachers.
That's so true. Mistakes help us improve. They're not failures, they're lessons.
Let's quickly review our 5 tips.
Sure. Tip number 1, start small with single words.
Tip number 2, use pictures or flashcards.
Tip number 3, think in simple English sentences.
Tip number 4, watch and listen to simple English shows or songs.
And tip number 5, be patient and kind to yourself.
Perfect summary. It's all about practice, patience, and connecting English directly to your thoughts.
Over time, thinking in English becomes natural and fast, like your brain has a direct road to your words.
Exactly. And your conversations will feel more confident and fluent.
That's the goal, to have real, natural conversations in English.
And it all starts with one small word, like pen.
I'm looking at mine right now and thinking pen.
That's great, James. You're doing it already.
This was such a helpful topic. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you, James. And a big thank you to all our amazing viewers for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope these tips help you on your English journey.
Don't forget to subscribe to Hello English channel so you never miss our next lesson.
And if you like this episode, share it with your friends. Sharing is caring.
It really is. And now we have a fun question for you. Tell us one thing you can see right now.
Yes, look around and write one English word in the comments. Maybe window, phone, or plant.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Keep practicing and stay patient.
You're doing an amazing job. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.